Hi, I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be going over teaching triangles to fourth graders. So it's good for them to learn the few different types of triangles. There's different ways we can classify triangles. One is we can call a triangle equilateral, right, if it has all equal sides. There's also an isosceles triangle, which has two equal sides and a third side that's not equal. And then there's a scalene triangle, which, it sounds like a weird word, right? So have them familiarize themselves with like a weird word, scalene, where all three sides are different. It's also important to teach them area and perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is just adding up the sides, right? Have them think of the fence. If they were to put fencing on a triangle, shape of lawn or something, it's just going to be the side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. And that's it. The area is going to be 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. This is a little bit more tricky sometimes for them to remember. But in something like this, the nice equilateral triangle, we have the base, and then we have the height, which we just draw with a dotted line, and we show that it's perpendicular to the base, right? The height is always perpendicular to the base. And then they'll just have to find 1/2 of the base times the height. And make sure they write those units squared because it's area. Perimeter, they just write the units not squared. Also, it's good for them to know the different types of angles. You can have acute triangles where all the triangles are less than 90 degrees. You can have right triangles where there's actually a right angle in the triangle. And then you can have an obtuse triangle where it has an obtuse angle that's over 90 degrees. It's also, one more last thing, important for them to know that a triangle has 180 degrees total. So they can add up the different angles and find, what the missing angle would be, knowing that there's 180 degrees total. I'm Rachel, and thanks for learning with us today.